Which part of the plant produces flowers? Steam. What do flowers turn into after pollination? Fruits. What part of the flower makes pollen? Anther. Which part of the flower has seeds? Ovary. What is the main purpose of a flower? Reproduction. Which bird is famous for sucking nectar from flowers? Hummingbird. Which insect helps in pollination the most? Bee. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar and pollen. What is made from the nectar collected by bees? Honey. Which part of the flower is colorful and attracts insects? Petals. What is the green part under the petals called? Sepal. The process of transferring pollen from one flower to another is called what? Pollination. Which bird can fly backward while sucking nectar? Hummingbird. Which small insect visits flowers early in the morning? Butterfly. Which insect has a long tongue to suck nectar? Butterfly. Which insect changes from caterpillar to butterfly? Butterfly. Which part of the flower makes a sweet smell? Petals. What is the outermost green part of a flower? Sepal. What do flowers need to grow? Sunlight, water, and air. Which bird also helps in spreading pollen? Sunbird. What color attracts bees the most? Yellow. What gas do flowers release during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Where do flowers make seeds? Inside ovary. What do insects get from the flowers? Nectar. What do flowers give to birds and insects? Food and shelter. Which insect makes honeycomb? Honey bee. Which insect has a colorful wings and loves flowers? Butterfly. Which bird makes nests on flower trees? Sparrow. What is the small yellow dust on flowers called? Pollen. Which insect is most useful for pollination? Honeybee. What is the process of seed formation called? Fertilization. What do we call a flower that blooms only at night? Night blooming flower. Which flower is called the queen of flowers? Rose. Which flower is the national flower of India? Lotus. Which flower do bees like the most? Sunflower. What do butterflies do when they visit a flower? Suck nectar. Which flower grows in water? Lotus. Which bird's beak is long and helps to drink nectar? Hummingbird. Which insect helps both day and night in pollination? Moth. What do we call flowers that smell very good? Fragrant flowers. What is the male part of a flower called? Stamen. What is the female part of a flower called? Pistil. Which flower follows the movement of the sun? Sunflower. What do we call the process when flowers open? Blooming. Which flower do we offer in worship in Nepal and India? Marigold. Which insect has transparent wings and visits flowers? Dragonfly. Which flower gives us perfume? Rose. Which insect is known for carrying pollen from one flower to another? B. Which bird makes a humming sound while flying near flowers? Hummingbird. Why are flowers important to nature? They help in pollination and make fruits and seeds. Thank you.